Today I'm going to show you how to add friends on Telegram by phone number on your PC. Step by step. This is a simple method that works great when you already have someone's number and want to start chatting with them quickly inside Telegram. Whether you're adding a new friend, a coworker, or someone from a group, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in a clear and easy way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Once it loads, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Telegram menu where you can access your contacts, settings, saved messages, and more. From this menu, click Contacts. This is where Telegram keeps your saved people and where you can add someone new. Inside the Contact section, look for the Add Contact option and click it. Telegram will then open a form where you can enter the person's details manually. In the name field, type the friend's name exactly how you want it to appear in your Telegram contacts. Then, in the phone number field, enter their phone number carefully, making sure you include the correct country code. This part is very important because if the country code is wrong, Telegram may not recognize the number correctly. For example, if the person is in another country, make sure you use the proper international format before saving the contact. Once both fields are filled in, double-check everything to make sure the number is correct. Then, save the contact. If that phone number is already registered on Telegram, the contact will appear in your Telegram list almost immediately. Now, once the person shows up in your contacts list, just click on their name. This will open the chat window, and from there you can start messaging right away. You do not need to search manually if the number is already saved and linked to a Telegram account. That makes the process fast, simple, and very convenient. If you do not see the contact immediately, wait a moment and make sure the phone number was entered correctly with the right country code. Also, make sure the person actually has a Telegram account attached to that number. If they do, Telegram should sync and show them in your contacts without any extra steps. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a friend on Telegram by phone number using the desktop app. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Easy Tech Guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.